If you are planning to travel to Oslo Gardermoen Airport very soon, well, this video is for you. First up, note that the airport is 46 kilometers away from the city. This video is broken into two parts, departures and arrival. To get to Oslo Airport on this occasion, we took a car which took roughly about 15 minutes, but it can get up to an hour depending on traffic and the time of the day. So once you arrive to Oslo, there's a drop-off zone, which is a kiss and hug spot. Otherwise, you can go to the long-term car park if required. Note that the departure area is on the second floor of the airport, and you got to go past this doors that are designed to keep the hot air and the cold air separate, something like that. Anyway, once you walk in, you'll notice that it is quite large and there is 10 check-in areas. The number 1 to 4 on the left side is usually Norwegian Airlines, and the other side is for SAS and all the other international airlines like Qatar, Emirates, and so on. If you are arriving to the airport by train or bus, then that's going to come to the arrivals on the first floor. More on the express train and the local train in the arrivals section of the video. Well, what you need to know now is once you arrive, take the escalator or the elevator and get upstairs. You'll see Joe and the Juice on the right side as you take the escalator up to check in or drop your luggage. After that, it is through the security, which is usually very fast, around 10 to 15 minutes max. Once you pick up your luggage, you will have two options. The domestic flights are to the left and the international flights are to the right. In this case, we are going to the right. The first thing you'll notice is the duty-free section when entering. How is it, Nicola? Sorry, ow. The duty-free area is quite large and is child-friendly, so yeah, entertain your child, buy some stuff that you need, and when you're done with that, go around and check out some of the restaurants. The majority of the places are bakeries and smoothie bars. There's some restaurants like the Jamie Oliver on the top there, but yeah, if you want your overpriced 7 to 10 euro coffee, this is the place. And that's where the Jamie Oliver restaurant is, up on that escalator. What I wanted to show you here is the new wing of Oslo Airport is gets A to D, and the old side is E to G. To remind everyone that Norway is in the 2026 World Cup, we have this at the airport to entertain the kids. Alright. Let us talk about the lounges. There's 4 lounges in total, the business and gold for SAS, and the international and premium lounge. All of the necessities are covered, and if you're not a member, 40 euros will get you into the Oslo lounge. The lounges are located near gate E2. Let's explore the second part, arriving into Oslo Airport. Once you arrive here, you're going to be following the sign to the baggage reclaim and arrivals area. While the second floor is the departure area, what you need to do is get down to the first floor. If you are arriving at gate A, B, C, or D, you will see the pink tree, and what you need to do is stay to the right and go towards the escalator heading downstairs. Once you arrive downstairs, via this escalators, you are on the first floor and entering the point of no return. That's right. Enter through this, and you will see the duty-free options where most local residents do some shopping because things are quite expensive in the city. So yeah, take the moment to buy what you need, especially Norwegian chocolate. The company name is Freia, and there's also another chocolate called Smash, which is really good and a great gift. After the duty free, you can collect your bags and make it past customs. That is the final exit for international arrivals, and then if you turn to the right, you will see the various options of catching a bus, train, or heading back to the departure area to get out of here because you said, screw it, this place is too expensive. Anyway, just keep going straight and you'll find the train departure area, which is a mix of the express train Flytoget or the local trains R12, R11, RE10, as you can see over here. The price difference is up to 6 euros and the time difference is about 2 minutes. So whichever one you choose, you can download the app and get in advance. The time to Oslo City, which is Oslo S, is roughly between 20 to 25 minutes. And in the daytime you can enjoy the view, and once you arrive at Oslo S, this is how the local train looks like. Take a right and you are in Oslo City. Good luck, enjoy the trip, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. Take care of yourself.